What does your marketing plan look like in 2021?
So this year is all about engagement, engagement in different facets. So it's not just focusing on social media or open houses, but we are integrating networking with realtors on all different levels. So I run a team. We have 5 licensed agents and a full-time assistant for us. And we're all involved in different organizations. So whether that be with realtors or with nonprofits, making sure that we are contributing to our community, because that's who we are, right? We're all realtors.
Mm-hmm.
And it's been an incredible referral source just like that. So being engaged with those people include phone calls, text messages, a handwritten card. I know, right? It's rocket science. It's hard. But the key is consistency. And I think as you are resilient and keep treading through, you get results. You know, my coach says you don't get results from the first 8 reps. It's the 9th and the 10th rep where it really burns. That's when you're going to get the results. So that's what we're working through. We introduced a really cool new idea called a pop by. And I got this idea through, I just completed my luxury designation. And they were saying that engagement and giving small little tokens, small gifts are really thoughtful. So each of my girls have the ability to give 100 small gifts out once a month. We do it on the 19th of every month, and it's silly little things. So like this month, or sorry, January, since we introduced it, we gave everyone a bag of popcorn and said, hey, we are introducing pop buys. We want to get to know you. And it was just super simple. You know, a few people that, well, I should say who receives these little tokens. It's our farm. So we farm where we live. So we want to make sure that we're not a secret agent and that our neighbors know that they have a realtor right down the street. So we're farming our streets that we're living on, and then also building a referral source or channel accounts through other businesses. So insurance agents, financial planners, dentists, doctors, all of that. So those people get a little token. This month, we are not celebrating Valentine's Day. Everybody loves Valentine's Day. It's all over the place. So let's talk about something different. It's National Muffin Day. So we're going to get
Muffin Day.
yeah.
All right.
And then we're also incorporating little gifts for your house too. So March is usually when we do our time change, right? Yeah-ish. I don't know. The month of the time change, we give out batteries. So people will change out their batteries for their smoke detectors. So it's just kind of an interchange of goodies for them.